What ethical practices should I follow to ensure long-term SEO success?
Um, Again, it goes back to what I said earlier, right? Focus on providing value for your users. Forget the search engines. The search engines don't exist. Your users exist. So, ethical practices, quality content written for your users, giving your users every answer they could possibly want about who you are, what you do, when you've been doing it, why they should trust you, why they should work with you and not somebody else, what makes you better and more, and more valuable than your competitors. What value do you add that your competitors can't add, and so on. Best practices are, like I said, slow and steady, building good quality links that are valuable, that are topically related. They can either be topically related, geographically related, or industry related. So if you're a dog trainer, getting some links from dog groomers or veterinarians or dog walkers or pet sitters, that kind of thing. Those are great. If someone makes dog food or manufactures pet products, right? Doesn't have to be dog, just a pet product manufacturer. That'd be great. Even like information about animals that aren't pet related, but animals, that's still topically related to a dog trainer. It's animals, dogs are animals. That's fine. Those are good. But like getting like a grocery store, if you're Tampa based and you get a grocery store to link to you from Chicago, like that doesn't make any sense. That's not really related. So that would be more topically related. Local related, right? If you have the local groomer, the local dog walker linking to you, that's great. If you have a local business directory, right, on your local, like here in Tampa Bay, there is a site called 813area.com. And 813 is, there we go, get the right site here. 813 area is the area code for Tampa. And they have a directory of all stuff about Tampa. And then you see add my business. So you can get your business listed in 813area.com. And now you have a link on a site that is just about the 813 area code. Links on local chamber of commerce that point to you. That's great. Links on other businesses that are locally based. The news sites we talked about earlier. Again, go back to the All-Stars, look at those local link building, and we'll talk about these kind of links as well. These are all ethical practices that you can continue to get your Google business profile going, fill all that information out, get it going right. Create great content, great value, do some Facebook social, build a following, build a loyal base, become, look at success, look at Apple, look at the idea of them, people waiting in line for days to get the latest, upgrade that they just bought the previous one, 6 months, 8 months, a year ago, and they're waiting in line overnight to get the next one. These rabid fans, build a fan base through social, provide content, give value, give away stuff. It will come back to you in the long run. Okay. Our YouTube channel is a great example of that. We're giving away stuff on our YouTube channel, little tips and tricks, these kind of Q&A kind of stuff you'll find here and there on our YouTube channel. We share that information in LinkedIn. We share some of that in Facebook. And the idea is to like build a following, build a reputation, build a consistency in people seeing your name, seeing your brand, build your brand. That's really the thing to think about now. And Google's been pushing this for a while, but stop thinking keywords, and not that you shouldn't think keywords. I don't want to say don't think keywords, but stop focusing on rankings or keywords. Think about building your brand. Think about becoming the Apple in your industry. Where you have a bunch of fans that promote you, that talk about you, that share your stuff, that like your stuff, that comment on your stuff. That's what you're looking to do. Those are the ethical practices that you can go with, and just stay away from this idea of, doing things because you think you'll do better in search, and do things because you're offering better value to your customers. Google's algorithms and all their stuff that they've been doing recently, their helpful content updates, all the other updates they've been doing over the last, 6 months, a year plus, they're all about the user. They're all about making a better user experience. And that's what you want to do as well. Better user experience, lots of nice calls to action, get people to do, and make sure above all else, check your website on your mobile phone. Make sure that everything does and acts and responds and works properly on your mobile phone. And here's why. Most developers and designers, they develop and they design on their desktops. That's where they do the design because it's just easy to do that, right? But if you don't check what's going on that mobile device, and you can't see, there we go. You don't check what's going on here, you may wind up failing because Google is a mobile first indexing system. They look at mobile. What are you presenting to the mobile world? What's it look like? How does it work? Is it fast? Is it interactive? Does it answer the question? Does it have good keywords on it? Does it load quickly? All of those things. If you stay with those things, you are going to be fine.